to Knowledge Time, Python Introduction to Variables. Today we are going to see about list. We are opening the IDLE of Python. So what is list? Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Let's see some examples. My list is equal to apple, banana, and cherry. So we are storing these three items in variable called mylist. Okay, now if I print mylist, the output will be apple, banana, and cherry. So in this list, the items are indexed. So to see the index list, let's see this one. Print mylist 0. So on the index 0, apple is the item in the variable mylist. So next one is print mylist 2. So cherry. So the index starts from 0, 1, and 2. In our variable mylist, we have only 3 items, that is apple, banana, and cherry. We can do the negative indexing also, like my print mylist -1. So it starts from the right to left. Now if we want to see the length of the list, okay, so we have to give command print length of my list. So 3 items are there. So a list item can have a different data types like strings, integers, or boolean. Like list 1, we will take it as same apple and jam and cherry. So print list 1. So you can see this one. So list 2, I will give 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 4, 4. Now print lst2. See, this is integer list. Now we'll go for list 3, that is boolean. False, false, true, true, false. Now print list 3. See, we can have the combined objects also, like list 4 is equal to, we can have a string, we can have an integer, and we can have a boolean. Now print list 4. See, we can have a different. To know the data type, we can able to print type of list 4. See, this is a class, it's list. Thank you for watching. Please like and share.